I have a Bambu Lab p1s, and today I am changing out a hot end, which is going to be underneath this lid. That's going to give you the assembly for the hot end here, and then we can go ahead and talk about what we're going to do next. So first, we're going to disconnect this little line here and pull this whole cover right off. Alright, now that we have done that, we can go ahead, set that aside, get in here, and I'm going to show you there's this screw and this screw. And these two screws are going to come out. I've already loosened them. They're relatively easy, and they come with the Allen wrench in order to take it out here. You just loosen them up, and then you jimmy it down, let that kind of hang and dangle while we're changing this out. You're going to have your second hot end ready to change out. Right now I have a 0.6 in and I'm putting a 0.4 in. However you want to go about doing yours, go ahead and do that. Select your nozzle according to your prints. So now what I've done is I've unhooked it from the back side here. There's going to be two sets of wires that come up through. We're going to undo these wires, boom and boom. Then we're going to unhook. And you can't mess it up because they do only go in one way, being that there is a bigger set of connectors here than there is here. So the first assembly that we took off was the lid, and that connected the fan to this top connector. Now you have this center and bottom connector that are going to go into the hot end when you replace it. What we're essentially going to do is just go in reverse order in order to complete this hot end replacement, which will take care of that hot end that we're looking to install now. And I'm going to go ahead, put this in here, which is the next step, and I will go ahead and continue with that and unpause this after. What I've done to make my life a little bit easier is I used the wires in my benefit by putting the separated ones in first because they go in down further, and then the straighter ones in second so that it holds on top and kind of is more organized. Also kind of keeps it all organized looking as well. That way you can plug in the top connector first. Oh, sorry about the focus, guys. And then the top one second. Not really getting a hang on this. There we go. Alright, so then we just take these screws, put those in. You're going to wiggle them sideways a little, like back and forth, to get them to seat exactly where they need to go. And then that's all with the Allen key that is supplied. And you just go in there and get it tight.